Hey guys, Constructor here. Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an object. This video is strictly because I'm trying to make a advanced Java video, and you're going to need this one for that. Okay, so here we go. So first, we're going to create our second class. In this class, I'm going to just name an object, and we're going to create an object in this class. This is where object-oriented programming comes from. So we're going to create a constructor, which would just be public object. So you use the same name as the class, and then you just give it some parentheses and curly brackets, and then that technically, although it has nothing in it, is an object. I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. So we're going to do public string name. We're going to go ahead and make it blank. So this is what you call a default constructor. So I'll show you how we call this. So if we go over here and we do object O equals new object, and we don't put anything in these brackets, these parentheses right here, then it's going to be calling the default constructor since there's nothing in these parentheses. So we can do, so that's the object. If you click O dot, you're going to see that there's a name there that you can grab because it's public, but there's nothing else there because we haven't created any functions. So here we're going to want to create an object that actually gives it a name. So we're going to pass in colon, so my name. But as you can see, there's an error here because there's only the one constructor and it's default. It doesn't have any parameters. So we're going to go here and we're going to make a second constructor, and then we're going to have a string in here. So string name, and we're going to set that value to this public variable up here, which we're going to go ahead and make private now, so that it's only accessible from this class. So we're going to do this dot name equals name. So it's grabbing this name up here and making it equal to whatever we pass in. And we're going to go ahead and create getters and setters. You can do that by going to source, generate getters and setters, click name, click generate, so that we can grab the value later. So now you see the error has gone because we have a constructor that can handle this parameter. So we're going to do o.get name, and we can get that name even though it's private because it's an object and it has a getter. So we're going to go ahead and put this inside an outprint so that we can get my name. So you run it, and as you can see, it prints out my name. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.